Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to enable or disable one-handed mode in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down, then go to advanced features. From here go to one-handed mode. Now just tap here to enable one-handed mode and it's enabled. Now here you can see two options of one-handed mode. One is gesture and another is button. Now if you select gesture from here and then go to your home screen. Now from here to enable one-handed mode you have to swipe down in the center of the bottom edge of the screen. Now just do it and you can see one-handed mode is enabled now. Now if you want to disable one-handed mode, just tap anywhere of blank space and you can see it's disabled successfully. Now if you go to same settings again and then select button from here, then go to home screen again. Now if you tap 2 times in your home button and you can see one-handed mode is enabled again. And that is how you can enable or disable one-handed mode in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.